So I'm going to be testing out this thermostat that I took out from this mini fridge. It's this brand right here. And so I am going to turn this on right there. And I'm just going to check here. Make sure that I get a reading. But I had already checked and I wasn't getting anything like whatsoever. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, nothing pops up. Nothing. So I have a feeling it's the thermostat. So yeah, I put it in, I'm pretty sure the opposite way too as well. So I had the red pin where the black pin is at first, but I'm getting nothing. And I'm concerned that it is the thermostat because if I check the overload or the relay, so yeah, when I'm checking this, let's see, I can do this with one hand. All right, so we got that one in. All right. So, see, I get a reading. I'm getting a reading. So I know that that's good. And then if I put this here and this here, I'm also getting a reading. But when I check the thermo, and it's turned on. So that's the thermo and it's connected, it's doing nothing.